sweet smile made me happy. Every day I fell in love with you, but was just a good friend for you. This is what I thought, and today I think, what if I was wrong?
For this scene you need Unreal Engine, but don't worry, you won't have to pay a lot of money like other programs, because guess what? It's free! It gets even better! I do have some beginner tutorials to learn Unreal Engine on my website. And guess what? They are also free! So check that out, the link is in the description below. So I recorded myself singing in front of my green screen. But ouch! There was one big problem. I had a glitter jacket on. The worst thing that you can do is wear glitter in front of a green screen, because you have the green reflecting in all the tiny parts of the jacket. So this time I used 3D Keyer in DaVinci Resolve to get rid of the green. It works like magic. And guess what? DaVinci Resolve is also free. I imported the keyed footage to Unreal Engine. The concert arena is a 3D world in Unreal Engine. This alone saved me $100,000 over renting an arena like this. I set camera movements in sequencer. This saved me $50,000. The 3D world came with a huge light show. This saved me $350,000. Brings the total savings to a whopping $500,000. This way I was able to transform my old music video into a huge live concert. And I could do all this at home. Some of the most expensive productions in the world make use of the same technology.